Introduction to smart dishwashers.
Smart dishwashers are transforming the way we clean dishes. Unlike older models, they use advanced technologies to automatically adjust energy and detergent use. This means better cleaning results, lower utility bills, and less environmental impact. Let's explore how these modern appliances achieve such impressive efficiency through the power of sensors and connectivity.
The role of sensors.
Inside a smart dishwasher, sensors constantly monitor things like water clarity, soil levels, and load size. By analyzing these conditions during every wash, the dishwasher can determine exactly how dirty your dishes are and how much cleaning they require. This information allows the machine to use only the amount of water, energy, and detergent needed for an effective clean.
Adaptive wash cycles.
Adaptive wash cycles adjust in real time based on sensor feedback. For lightly soiled dishes, the dishwasher may shorten the wash and reduce resource use. For heavier messes, it can lengthen the cycle or boost cleaning power. This flexibility ensures dishes come out spotless without wasting water, energy, or detergent.
Detergent and energy optimization.
Smart dishwashers are designed to optimize detergent and energy use. Some models have automatic dispensers that add just the right amount of detergent based on load and soil levels. In addition, intelligent scheduling features can run the wash when electricity rates are lower, further saving on energy costs, while still delivering outstanding results.
Connectivity and remote control.
Connectivity features allow many smart dishwashers to be controlled from smartphones or smart home systems. Users can receive maintenance alerts, monitor cycle progress, and even download special wash programs. These features make it easy to maximize efficiency while keeping dishes perfectly clean with minimal effort.
The benefits of going smart.
By using advanced sensing, adaptive cycles, and connectivity, smart dishwashers provide a powerful combination of convenience, energy savings, and environmental friendliness. The result is cleaner dishes, lower costs, and a smarter approach to everyday chores, making life easier while reducing our impact on the planet.